Alrighty, guys. So I was kind of half wrong, half right. So I eventually was able to get this one threaded in. It's just fitting weird. There's so many threads out of it, but that's tight. If I put a wrench on it, like that, that's tight. There's just like barely any threads in it. I don't know. And then this line is indeed too short. Let me try to get you guys parallel. Oh God. Oh no. Focus. You can kind of see that it's way too short. So I do have to make a new one of these. So it's kind of half right. I don't have to make a new front one, but I do have to make a new rear one. So, that's gonna be fun. Alrighty guys, it's been a little bit since you see me. It's like 8 o'clock at night, so I'm a little tired. But I have our coolant topped off here. I pressure tested it and we're not leaking. I have to go back and check the videos. I don't really remember, but I swear the temp sender was leaking. I don't remember though, but it wasn't leaking when I pressure tested it. So I'm ready to go ahead and actually fire this thing up. So got a little bit of a mess going on here. I need to clean up. What did I do with the cap? I had the radiator cap, and now I don't. Well, whatever. I don't need it immediately right now. So here goes nothing. Been a while since this thing has ran, very obviously. So let me put you guys on pause. And here we are. Here we are. Come on. You've been a good car. Come on. God. Alright, guys. I'm probably gonna need the no-go here, but probably help if I filled both bowls, huh? Now we can try that. Alright, let me go get help. Let me go get Scotty or something.